Double Cutthroat ships, are they powerful? We have been using them for a few weeks as an inexpensive way to secure battle victories. While it may not be the optimal setup, it is an affordable and effective strategy for outsmarting the competition. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will discuss the setup and strategy for using Double Cutthroat ships. Fleet. Our primary focus within the fleet has been on strategic and cutthroat ships, and we invested most of our budget in upgrading heroes and trinkets. The Blazing and Drowning mix is the third battleship we are currently upgrading. We also have a bait ship with a scepter. While we could use Goddess Ajit as our fifth battleship, we opted not to because we lacked high-rank artillery heroes like Mihai and Rinfu. Since we have 3 excessive cutthroat heroes available, we created a second cutthroat ship using Hybrid Boreas. This ship performs better than an artillery ship staffed with low-rank heroes, such as a 2-star Ophelia and a 5-star Chi Lanting heroes. The available cutthroat heroes are Bones Onimusha, Kartal, Margaret Kojo, and Luna. Bones Onimusha and Kartal are often paired with Warhammer because of their high damage skills. However, while these heroes deliver significant damage, their attacks are random. In contrast, Margaret Kojo and Luna target the ship with the lowest HP using their active skills rather than attacking randomly. Kartal can mark the ship with the lowest HP and increase its aggro, but this does not guarantee that he will hit the marked target. Furthermore, Margaret and Kojo can deal extra damage and ignore the target's armor. For instance, Margaret deals an additional 50% damage while bypassing the target's armor. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Positions. We assigned Bones Onimusha and Luna to Warhammer, Margaret Kojo, and Kartal to Boreas. But why do we place Luna on Warhammer instead of Kartal? The answer lies in strategy. Our Warhammer has the highest attack in the fleet. It will benefit from rage boosts provided by Elixir and Boreas' ultimate skill, which allows it to cast skill first. By having Luna on Warhammer, she can cast skills and mark the target with the lowest HP, thereby increasing the target's aggro. On the other hand, Kartal, assigned to Boreas, can also mark the lowest HP target every 6 seconds, raising the target's aggro by 70. The difference is that Kartal can mark the target without casting a skill. This means that Luna will benefit from the rage boosts and can mark the target earlier, increasing the chances of Onimusha, Bones, and Kartal targeting and swiftly eliminating the lowest HP target. Additionally, Onimusha inflicts a cursed mark on the target that is deemed wounded. This allows Kartal to deal an extra 200% damage when he strikes the wounded ship. Margaret and Kojo are like the cleanup crew, targeting the low HP ships. So, when you notice some ships suddenly disappearing, it's likely due to Margaret and Kojo's efforts. Ship skills. In the previous video, we discussed setup tips for Boreas. For the second cutthroat ship, we will choose the hybrid setup. The preferred ultimate skill is Coordinated Combat, and the recommended skills are Indomitable Will, Tactical Display, and Sturdy Keels. To obtain the desired ultimate skill, we need to build more Boreas. However, acquiring regular skills will be more challenging. If you need to replace one skill, you can do so by spending Dazzling Coral, which can be obtained by dismantling a ship. If you wish to replace a second skill, use the Ship Enhancement feature. This requires sacrificing another legendary Boreas, and one of the skills will be randomly selected from the sacrifice ship to replace the existing skill. You can reject the replacement if the selected skill is not the one you want. We do not recommend replacing 3 skills, which can be challenging. Ship part. Since the Boreas ship's abilities don't enhance damage, we must obtain it from the parts. Requiescence of Black is a good choice for the Hybrid Boreas, as it increases cutthroat damage by 10%. Additionally, it enhances the cutthroat damage received by targets by 8% per stack, a maximum of 5 stacks. Having Requiescence of Black on Warhammer and Boreas is very helpful because we can stack up the cutthroat damage received by the targets fast, up to 40% from 5 stacks. Trinkets. Backbones is effective with the Demise Proclamation because he has the Captain tag. Since Margaret lacks the Captain tag, she cannot activate the Demise Proclamation's effect, therefore, we will equip her with a Spyglass. Kojo and Onimusha are well suited for the Cross Spear Palace because they both have the First Mate tag. This tag increases their ship's critical rate, attack power, and cutthroat damage. Kartal and Luna are compatible with the Blade of Sovereignty since they possess the Gunner tag. This increases the ship's cutthroat damage and can boost the aggro of the target ship with the lowest HP through the Trinkets effect. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.